The National Press Club Islamabad, NPC, hosted the second event of its Ramadan Family Festival in Islamabad, drawing a large number of members and their families. Children enthusiastically participated in Qira'at and Naat competitions, with cash prizes awarded to all participants. NPC Secretary Nayyar Ali hosted the event, while NPC President Azhar Jatoi emphasized that the club remains committed to organizing such activities to bring joy to its members and their families. He assured that the tradition of the Ramadan Family Festival and Eid Milan parties would continue in the future. Despite a busy election schedule, the NPC leadership, under the guidance of Afzal Butt, successfully organized the festival for families in both Rawalpindi and now Islamabad. Nayyar Ali noted. NPC Finance Secretary Waqar Abbasi highlighted that the festival has become a highly anticipated event, eagerly awaited by members and their families throughout the year. The event's chief guests included Federal Minister for Interfaith Harmony and Religious Affairs, Khaled Kohistani, former Prime Minister of Azad Kashmir Abdul Qayyum Niazi, PPP Azad Kashmir, President Chaudhry Yasin, former Islamabad Chamber of Commerce, President Zafar Bakhtawari, Saifur Rahman Atari Group, and Pir Asim Gilani. Several prominent figures, including PFUJ President Afzal Butt, NPC President Azhar Jatoi, Finance Secretary Waqar Abbasi, and former NPC Presidents Tariq Chaudhry, Anwar Raza, and Shahryar Khan, attended alongside political, social, religious, and business leaders. The event saw participation from over 700 children from more than 250 families, adding vibrancy to the celebrations. All participating children received cash prizes and certificates. Attendees praised the efforts of the NPC leadership, including Azhar Jatoi, Nayyar Ali, and Waqar Abbasi, and called for the festival's continuation in the coming years.
Pakistan! Pakistan!